How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Spacedesk as second monitor. So what you want to do is to open up the Spacedesk application right here. And then of course, just wait for it to load in, and then it will look something like this. Now, if you are using this as a second monitor, then in my case, I'm going to enable the USB cable driver for Android. So I'll click on the USB cable Android right here just to make things a lot easier. But of course, if you're using this wirelessly, you could also do so. So what you want to do is to just make sure that it is turned on, and then you want to use this specific command right here, or this specific character, in order to connect it to your other monitor or other computer or etc. So let me just simply open up my application on my other device, and then I'll click on my Windows right here. So click open Spacedesk driver console, and then it will now connect my device or my display right here onto my computer. So now that we have my second monitor connected, so you could see that monitor right here. So it's going to be this one. Now I'm also inside the settings for Windows. Now I could place my phone monitor wherever I want. So it's going to be right here. And then let's say that we want to move this specific system application onto my Android secondary monitor. So I'll just go ahead and do it this way. And so we could use our Android phone as my third monitor in this case, and I could also navigate back to my original monitor right here and continue my work. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.